Hey guys, it's Adrian. I'm a designer. So basically, what we're gonna be doing today, it's doing this kind of 3D typography type text effect in Photoshop. So it's not actually 3D. This kind of tricks people somewhere. So this is essentially like default Photoshop. It's basically just using the the brushes like the clone stem brushes to just draw like those strokes, um, and just create that typography effect. So we're gonna be doing this from scratch in Photoshop. So if you're interested in this typography 3D text effect in Photoshop, this is what you're gonna learn. So what we're gonna cover the basics of the mixer brush tool, how to use it, and how to achieve this with that brush tool, and then we're gonna add our shadows, just to bring that realism to it, and then we're gonna add our highlights, probably like use like the HDRI maps and stuff. But then after that, and then we're gonna do a bit of color corrections and a bit of editing going on, just for us to achieve that same look and feel that we have over there. So yeah, and we also going to be having like a project, so you guys can upload your own project. We are really looking forward for you guys to participate in this, as we also gonna like share some assets that can like assist you guys to kind of like have an idea of how to put things into place. So yeah, and we'll see you guys in that project sections where we're going to be doing those discussions. So we also going to be available to assist you guys where we can. And without any further ado, let's start with this.